Good afternoon, everybody. We have our first severe weather potential, which is developing across the area. We just received an email from the National Weather Service putting all Skywarn spotters on alert. And here is the email. Again, we just received this, and it says this is from the National Weather Service. It isolated to scattered strong to severe thunderstorms are likely across western and central Massachusetts, northern Connecticut this afternoon and evening. Strong to damaging winds, hail, heavy rainfall, and urban and poor drainage flooding, along with frequent lightning, are the main threats. But there is a secondary threat to this situation, and that is an isolated tornado is possible in the area. And the reason being is if some of these thunderstorms can get themselves robust enough in the atmosphere, and if they can isolate themselves ahead of the main line, then they could become supercells and they could begin to rotate. Again, the timing looks to be basically between 4 and 8 p.m. across the area. Let's go over to the New England map right now. This is the area that we're talking about. Anywhere from much of Vermont through southwestern portions of New Hampshire, all of western and central Massachusetts, and much of Connecticut points west of this area. That's where the potential for severe weather is going to be this afternoon and evening. The first line is expected to move into the Berkshires probably around 5:30 this afternoon, and then progressively move to the east. The question is, do they start to weaken after they cross the Connecticut River Valley? One computer model is suggesting that's possible. I'm not going with that because of the warm, humid, unstable air which is currently in place across the entire area. Okay, everybody, you can see that the GoPro is in the correct location right now. Any severe weather that comes in this afternoon and this evening is going to be coming from the west, and this is the west, so we're going to be monitoring the skies this afternoon. You can see up on the roof that the anemometer is blowing at a light speed right now, probably at about 5 miles an hour. It's been gusting to 15 to 25 throughout the morning, and that gust should continue this afternoon. Okay, the first special weather statement has been issued for our area. I'm going to let you listen to it in a minute, and then we're going to hopefully have some watches and warnings later this afternoon.
Southwest winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Chance of rain 40%. Monday night, mostly cloudy. A chance of showers and thunderstorms. Lows in the upper 60s. Southwest winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Chance of rain 40%. Tuesday, partly sunny. A chance of showers and thunderstorms. Highs in the lower 80s. West winds around 5 miles an hour. Chance of rain 50%. Tuesday night and Wednesday, partly cloudy. Lows in the lower 60s. Highs in the lower 80s. North winds around 5 miles an hour.
The current time is 11:52 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
Severe thunderstorms possible in central and western Massachusetts as well as much of Connecticut later this afternoon. A line of thunderstorms will likely move into southern New England from New York State after 4 p.m. this afternoon. The thunderstorms may be strong to severe. The main threats will be damaging winds, localized flooding from torrential rainfall, and frequent lightning. There is also the possibility of a short-lived tornado. The area of greatest concern for severe weather extends from the Berkshires through the Connecticut River Valley to western Worcester County as well as across northern and western Connecticut. Any strong to severe thunderstorms will most likely occur between 4 p.m. and 9 p.m. The storms are expected to weaken by the time they reach east central Massachusetts and Rhode Island this evening. If you have outdoor plans, stay aware and pay attention to the latest updates on No Weather Radio or from your local media.
Okay, we'll be back with frequent updates throughout the afternoon. Pay attention to the atmosphere, and if severe weather approaches, take cover.